Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another video. So today's video is super exciting. It is sponsored by a company called AF Hair Sisters, and I've wanted to work with them for a while now, but we never really got in sync to do it. But I have the video coming for you guys now, so definitely make sure you keep on watching. All right, you guys, before we get started, I need you guys to do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button. It super duper helps me out. Hit the thumbs up. You guys don't understand how much it changes this YouTube crazy algorithm for me over here on the channel. If you guys just do that, make sure you guys comment and engage with me. It super duper helps me, and I love talking to you guys back and forth. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in to the wig review. All right, you guys, so this is the packaging for AF Sister Wig. It's a really adorable box with a little bow. Makes you feel like you're giving yourself a gift. So let's go ahead and open her up. So it looks like you get a little bit of extra lace. You get your wig caps, your baby hair brush, an extra elastic band, and a rat tail comb. And this is the wig that we are working with today. Looks like we have some brown lace, and it's definitely pre-bleached for you. The parting space is definitely pre-plucked for you. The hairline is also pre-plucked, so that looks great. This wig is literally looking like it's ready to go straight out the box. Let's take a look at the cap construction. Lots of parting space, definitely a full frontal with lots of parting space at the top. You got your comb at the top, your two combs on the side, your adjustable elastic band, your adjustable straps, and a comb in the back, and a little bit of lace to work with in the back as well. Nice mid-length, perfect. Looks like it would be perfect for work. Really great length right here for everyday hair. And it's feeling like it's nice and full. Not too dense, but really nice and full. So this is looking like it's a go, you guys. So let's go ahead and give it a try. If you like the unit that I have on my head right now, I do have a review up on this hair. So I will link it up here in the cards and also place the link down below as well. And if you want to see any of my wig reviews, you can go ahead and just click the playlist that says wig reviews. All right, you guys, so this is the end result. I absolutely love how this hair came out. I think this haircut is perfect for this style. The curls that the wig came with were bomb. Like, they combed out so beautifully. I didn't even have to hit it with any hot tools. This lace is bomb, you guys, and this wig is literally ready to wear. I would absolutely recommend it. So definitely check the information box down below. I'll leave all the links that you need. Make sure you guys are sharing this video. That super duper helps me out, and make sure you're giving it a thumbs up because I really love the way it came out. I have some clips at the end so you can check out how I wore this wig and how I styled it. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, where you get all my day-to-day content and you see kind of what's going on in my life. Make sure you're subscribed because I got some fashion hauls and some luxury hauls coming. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.